It was a gift, not a sponsor.
Sizocela ukunikezela nje abantu ababili kuphela abaxhase le qembu ukuthi bephumelele ka-refreshment
Samongameli wethu sithi nje Macingwane president singomama bamaphinifa si behind you all the way siyabonga
Siyabonga kakhulu Mongameli ngicela ube part nendawo phela umcimbi wakho socela ke ubaba uBloss naye azobingelela owe podcast affirmation